How's it going, everyone? I'm Chef John and welcome to today's lesson where I will be teaching you how to cook a Western omelet egg. So as always, the description will have all the ingredients pre-measured and everything if you want to follow along. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first step you want to go ahead is get your 3 eggs, which is right here, a dash of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. And for those who are using fresh farm eggs, you want to go ahead and get like about a tablespoon of the water, just because it helps out break down the enzymes of the eggs. So get yourself a bowl and let's get cracking. Alright, want to go ahead and crack your eggs into the bowl just as so. So it's going to be much easier if I crack this, if they actually follow along. But you know how they say, it's always excellent. Okay, once you get your eggs into there, you want to add your seasoning, which is your salt. Get all that in there, your pepper. And since I'm using fresh farm eggs, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water. Alrighty. Then what next you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and whisk all of it together. There'll be a nice, lightly beaten eggs beaten. You want to go ahead and put that to the side. So we're going to go on to our next stage. Our next stage is we're going to be cutting our vegetables, which is going to be our green peppers and red peppers and our onions. So what you want to do first is you want to go ahead and use your green peppers. You want to slice them. When again, you don't want to slice on the skin side up, you want to slice it on skin side down. For this reason is because, well, it's much harder to cut on the skin. The flesh is always much easier to do. So we want to go ahead and cut them into julienne. That's right there, it's a julienne. It's a nice matchstick. And then after you cut all that into a julienne, you want to go ahead and slice it one more time into a fine dice. So at the end result, you will have something like this for your green and red peppers. So next, we're going to go ahead and look at our onions. Of course, you want to cut your onions in half. Take out the wrapper or this stuff. So cutting this to be a nice strip. You want to cut right in the middle. So, and then you're going to go ahead and cut right on the edges. Just like so. You'll get this nice fine julienne strips that we're going to be using. So it will be something like this. So once we get all that stuff, you want to go ahead and heat up your... Okay, so once you finish cutting all your vegetables, you want to go ahead and heat up your pan to medium heat so we can go ahead and start cooking. So without further ado, let's hop on over there. So once you get started on the pan, it's on medium heat. You want to go ahead and check to see if it's nice and heat. You can feel that heat right now. So let's go ahead and coat our oven with about a teaspoon of oil. Just make sure you want to go ahead and coat it nice and evenly, just like that. Then you go ahead and your vegetables here. Add your ham to that right here right now. And we want to go ahead and season it with a little bit of thyme. Okay, so we're going to put that about 4 minutes or at least into the vegetable. And cut. Oil. Make sure it's nice and evenly coated. If you feel like it's not coated, just go ahead and add a little bit more so you can coat all that good stuff. Then we're going to add half of the egg mixture. So it's just going to be just about. Put that for a minute. Starts to go ahead and tilt the pan to get all the edges on the side. So we can go ahead and loosen it up a little bit, just like so. We're going to evenly coat with the cheese. Then we're going to let that sit one more time for another minute. Still making sure you go ahead and sprinkle all that good stuff, all that goodness right on it. Alright, and right in the middle, and go ahead and fold it just like so on both ends. Cut to the plate, just like so, and pow. And that's how you do a beautiful Western omelet. Alright, and that's how you do a Western omelet. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you learned something. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and comment if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more breakfast ideas. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. As promised, at the end of each and every single video, we're going to do a sample plating. I hope you enjoy. Till next time, guys. See ya.